So I found a hole here. It was already cut, but I'm gonna recut it just because I don't have an auger. I'm using a regular ice saw. So this is what I'm using. On a chip right here in the middle and just get it all chipped out. It's shit. I think this like about 6, 7, about 5, 6 minutes. Alright, so I got this hole. I just kind of got through, so I'm gonna, for the rest of the way, I'm gonna just dig down and make a circle and make it so it's nice and clean. Take the ice out and then it'd be ready to go. Get all the ice out of there. Got a nice clean cut. I would suggest to wear this because just in case it falls, I mean you don't want to lose it. It's not that expensive, but you know, kind of try to try it out. Alright, so I got my fishing pole right here. I got this little thing that holds it. It's like $3 at Flea Farm, cheap. Hold it right here. I'm gonna let my line drop in. I don't know exactly how deep this is, but probably go like 6, 7 feet under it, and then we'll see what we can catch. Alright, so I got the bobber in there. The bobber I just put on the line. Got the little hookup right here for my fishing pole, and so I'm just gonna watch that bobber. As soon as that bobber goes down for about a second or two, I'm gonna yank it up, and hopefully we can catch a fish. We'll see. Let's see what we can catch today. So I've been out here for a couple hours, probably about an hour and a half or so. I haven't caught nothing yet, but just the relaxation, the calmness, the peace that I find when I come out here. Like, people go take antidepressants and all these things. Maybe try go out to the lake, go to the woods, go find nature, go have a good time, because we need it right now more than ever. And just get some warm clothes, we can go out and have a decent time. If you don't catch none, you don't catch nothing. And if you do, you do. It's all about the process. It's all about patience and waiting. This is what it's all about, and it's a lesson to life too, and we should all recognize and realize that. Talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, I'm about to eat. I'm kind of hungry. It's like almost 2 o'clock. I got my grill, got some clam chowder, got my stove, about to cook this on here, eat quick, and go and get back to fishing. Right on the lake, fishing, eating, having an amazing time. This is awesome. So about to have this nice meal, eat up, and then get back to fishing. Alright, so I'm sitting down here having my meal. Almost 2 o'clock. Oh, it is 2 o'clock. I'm hungry. Need to eat. I'm gonna eat and finish up. It's nice to have a little propane grill out here where I can cook. Just in case I don't get the fish today, I'll be back tomorrow. I think I really need to get outside and experience nature and get away from all the being inside in boxes and all that. Get out and take a chance, get out and have some fun. I can't express how much more this is such an amazing time for me. I'm out here. I've been out here since this morning. Haven't caught no fish yet, but hey, that's the game, right? We'll see how we do for the rest of the day. Probably stay on until like 6 and see if we can catch up. I'm gonna finish my meal. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey, I'm back. I'm just chilling. Still trying to catch a fish, man. Getting a couple of little bites, I think. Other than that, ain't nothing.